How do you make holy water? You boil the hell out of it. Mispronunciations for today.
Okay.
Quesadilla.
Nope.
Quesadilla.
Nah.
Quesadilla.
Yeah.
Quesadilla.
Yep.
Quesadilla.
Lovely. Next.
Rendezvous.
Nah.
Rendezvous.
Nope.
Rendezvous.
Yep.
Rendezvous.
Oh yes.
Rendezvous.
Wonderful. Next.
Verbose.
No way.
Verbose.
No.
Verbose.
Yes.
Verbose.
Cool.
Verbose.
Amazing. Next.
Vulnerable.
Nope.
Vulnerable.
Nah.
Vulnerable.
Good.
Vulnerable.
Yep.
Vulnerable.
Good job. Next.
Nauseous.
Nada.
Nauseous.
No.
Nauseous.
Yes.
Nauseous.
Lovely.
Nauseous.
Bravo.
Synonyms of
Synonym.
the day.
Wow. Let's bounce.
Ponder. Contemplate. Dangerous. Perilous. Strange. Peculiar. Charming. Quaint. Demanding. Rigorous. Antonyms for daily use.
Are you ready?
Envy. Contentment. Deficient. Abundant. Consider. Disregard. Cautious. Reckless. Comfort. Distress. Homophones for today.
Let's do this.
Beat. Beat. Course. Course. Jam. Jam. Leaf. Leaf. More. More. Vocabulary for today.
Let's go.
Formidable. Inspiring fear or respect due to size or power. Deluge. A severe flood or overwhelming amount. Belie. To contradict or show to be false. Nonchalant. Calm and unconcerned. Languid. Lacking energy or vitality. Idioms for daily use.
Let's do this.
All in a day's work. Something routine or expected. All ears. Listening attentively. Cut the mustard. To meet expectations or perform adequately. Fit as a fiddle. In good physical health. By the skin of your teeth. Just barely managing or succeeding. Guess the riddle.
Riddle, riddle, riddle. Riddle for fun. Let's go.
What has a face but no eyes, hands, or legs? If you know the answer, let us know down in the comments and let's have some fun there. Until next time, see you, goodbye.